This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnett. Charming 3-bedroom, 1-bath home situated on a beautifully landscaped, level lot. This property features an open floor plan with a fireplace with gas logs. The kitchen is fully equipped, and all appliances remain, including the washer and dryer, making this home truly move-in ready. Enjoy outdoor living with a covered front porch and a rear deck, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The enclosed carport offers excellent flexibility and can be used as a recreational room, workshop, or additional storage space. Ideal for first-time buyers, downsizers, or anyone looking for comfort, convenience, and charm in one package. Don't miss your chance to view this inviting home. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy.